Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. And this boat, this video is going to be a little different. And here's why. A parent's never supposed to admit favorites, and we get to see tons of really cool boats. But generally, for each one of us, there's something that stands out. I'm standing on board Boston Whaler's 380 Outrage, and this is the boat that I've been in the roughest water of my entire life with. This boat is incredible. One of the things I'm going to point out right off the bat is the back of this boat. This has got 600s, and we're going to spend a good chunk of the video talking about them. And the reason why is because these motors are truly exceptional. It's not that often that something truly new and different comes along, but these are. Being V12s, they're inherently balanced. They're smooth. They're quiet. They're dual prop. They grab the water far better than they should. But one of the huge unnoticed tricks is what I'm standing on right now. See, Whaler puts a filler plate in the traditional splash well on your center console. That gives you a ton of walking room. In fact, the first boat that I ever sold that had this pair of motors, first Whaler that is, had this pair of motors. The first sailfish they leadered, the captain was standing right here. That's incredibly cool. And this boat really is a fishing boat. You have a huge live well in the rear of the boat that can be divided. Your rear bench folds away, gives you bolsters all the way around. By the way, this is a special option, Sea Gray it's called, from Whaler, and it is so cool. You have an incredible prep station here at the back of the boat, grill, sink, so much more, place for knives and pliers. They do it incredibly well, but it doesn't take away from your rod holders, both here, down below, and up over your head. You have Taco's Grand Slam carbon fiber. Guys, these are I'm sorry, these are not Taco. These are actually a really cool company, Gemlux, builds these, and they're a massive upgrade on this boat. Guys, this can actually run 3 lines off each, and you can put out a serious spread with this boat. It has so much at the dash. Everything you could need electronics-wise, from open array radar to killer dual transducers in this boat. You have a remote control spotlight, AC if you want it and need it, a killer 3-wide helm, premium audio. Guys, the list goes on forever, and I really can't touch all of it in this video. I'd love to show you in person. Let's point out one thing. This little black screen over our heads, that denotes a Seakeeper. Of course, boat's got a Seakeeper on it, and you're going to love that when you're drift fishing. Let's hit the front. For that ride out, this is hard to beat. Really nice loungers, but this seat, especially for when you're not fishing and the family wants a place to go, that seat is incredible. Despite the cabin down below, Whaler gives you a ton of storage here that's even deep enough for 5-gallon pails to sit down in, and it comes from the factory with so much. Guys, I cannot touch everything on this boat, but I do love it. I'm Jeremiah Long, and this is MarineMax Sarasota. This is our 2024 Boston Whaler 380 Outrage. Give me a shout if you want to know a little more.